Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I'm going to take this cutting board that I got at Hobby Lobby on clearance. It was an Easter one, and I'm going to coat the top of it with some white paint. I did just one quick coat, and then I'm just going to let that dry. Once that was dry, I am going to take and put a coat of Mod Podge on it, and then I'm going to let that Mod Podge dry. So making sure that I get a good coat on here, all of the edges especially. And then let that fully dry. Once that is fully dry, I'm going to take this napkin from my new napkin bundles, and it's got a cute little lemon on it and this beautiful pattern behind the lemon. I'm going to align that where I want it on my cutting board, kind of lay it down and press it down with my hand, and then put a piece of parchment paper on, and then I'm going to iron that right on there. I'm going to make sure that I iron this really good. You can use any iron that you have on high with no steam. You don't have to have a special iron for this at all. I mean, a small iron helps, but it's not really a huge deal. Once I have that all ironed on there and it cooled off, I'm going to take my sander and just sand off all of this excess. Once I have this all sanded, I'm just going to take some yellow ribbons. I had a couple of yellow ribbons, some rickrack, another type of yellow ribbon, and I'm just going to put them all together in an X shape. I cut them all to one size and then put them all in X shape, and then I took this piece of yellow and white twine that I had, and I tied that around. I'm going to arrange this as I'm going. Tied that around, and then I'm just going to tie it again into around the front. And get everything to hold together with that one yellow twine. And then just cut off whatever excess I need, kind of arrange the bow how I want it. And then I'm going to set that right there and glue it into place. Once I have that glued into place, I am going to take and put a piece of twine through the top, pull it through, and then tie a knot to hold it. And this will be our hanger. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute. I absolutely love this napkin. I think it's beautiful. I love everything about it. The pattern is gorgeous. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.